Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Mac OS like sec to find cursor in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, you can see on the right side releases, just click on it and just scroll down below. Now here you will see angrymouse.zip file, so you need to download this .zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here the first file. Just double click on it to run this software installer. Now click on install. Wait for a few seconds. So now you can see here the various options here. So you can see first option is a zoom cursor. So you can select the active window cursor or the cursor selections. So you can see here tons of cursor selections, as you can see here right now, tons of cursor selections. So I'm gonna keep the first option, that is the active window cursor, and below there is a collection. So you can import or export a zip file, and below you can see the zoom size. So you can increase or decrease the zoom size depending upon your needs, and you can see here grow or shrink speed, how much grow or shrink speed you want, and below it's a visible duration, and below there are more options like sec window, how much milliseconds, sec speed, how much pixel for milliseconds, and direction changes, how many turns. So these are all the settings you will get inside this application settings. So now once you're done, you can just close this window. And now in order to get a Mac OS like sec to find cursor, just shake your mouse, and now you can see here. Let us do it again. So now you can see once you start shaking your computer mouse, the mouse cursor gets alerts. So it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get Mac OS like shake to find cursor in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.